design remains our most powerful voice. It is my pleasure to introduce the category-defining Infiniti EX concept, a remarkable fusion of luxury coupe and personally sized sport utility vehicle. Like a vigorous brushstroke, it expresses the living force flowing from within. The EX concept offers a unique sense of unity and comfort. The exterior is marked by its large double-arch grille, dynamic arch profile, elegant flowing light. Its unique liquid crystal roof changes from transparent to translucent, while its all-around view camera provides a fresh perspective. Inside, the EX concept delivers a personal reward for driver and passenger. Innovation is found throughout. Touch sensor sunroof and an advanced lane departure prevention system. Far beyond mechanical pressure, this is a vehicle of extraordinary power, grace, and strength. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the breathtaking coupe-inspired luxury crossover, the Infiniti EX concept.